Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide your about information on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Tap on Account. This will open your account settings page. Tap on Privacy. Tap on About. This option will show your current settings for About. Tapping on it will give you the option to change your settings. You have three options: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. To hide your About information from everyone, select Nobody. As you can see, your About settings has been updated. This is how you can hide your About information on WhatsApp on an Android device.